Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I shared a step-by-step tutorial on how to install WordPress for free using Infinity Free. If you miss out, you can check it out on my channel. If you want to log into your front end, you still go the same way. But the only thing is that you remove this from here. You see, you delete these ones, you delete these ones, and you leave this emmanuel.infinityfree.com. This is how to access your front end. And then if you want to access your back end, you just put /wp/admin/ to access your back end. But we have logged into the WordPress dashboard already, so we don't need this. So what we want to log into now is the front end. So let me click enter.